Hey everyone! Today we are doing an injection pour. So I already have some black base in here. This is a 12 by 12 canvas and I have my syringe ready. We're going to be using Folk Art Aqua Flash, that's a color shift paint, Soho Yellow Cad Yellow Light, Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, Folk Art Blue Violet Flash, color shift, and Lucas Turquoise. So I'm going to fill the syringe with these colors, but I'm going to put them in a cup first, so it's kind of a dirty pour going in. So I'm going to start with the Aqua Flash and add some yellow. If you hear water running, it's my AC. I just shut it off. Some Quinacridone Magenta, some Blue Violet Flash, some turquoise, and I'm going to end that with some flash and some more turquoise, because I do want the turquoise in there. Alright, that should be plenty of paint. I think I have to take the cap off to get this out, because it's really suctioned in there. Okay, I'm back. I had a hard time getting that open. Alright, so I'm going to pour this in there. I have the cap on the bottom so it won't fall out. I'm hoping we don't get any mud. Okay, I have a little bit left if I need it, but we should be good. Just want to get that in there, and I'm going to release this, put it down in the paint. We're going to shove that paint in. Ellen loves to clean these, so no problem. Alright, let me move these out of the way. And we're going to flip this cup over. We have lots of paint here, plenty to play with. Sometimes you need a little extra because you want to keep the color on the canvas. I did not spray this cup, so I'm just going to go ahead and release. The silicone in the paints will start to come up. We'll start seeing some color. The inside of the cup is pretty. Flip that over, see if I can get a skin out of that. Alright, I'm going to start moving this around so I can see where some paint is at. I can see most of my color is on that side, so I will bring some more off on this side. Get my ends, corners. Bring it back out of that light. Okay. The yellow probably mixed with that rose, because I have a little orange in there. Now black likes to eat color. That was one of the reasons that I put the flash in, because it has that metallic tendency, so it should stay on top. And I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and we're going to come back. Okay, I'm back. Got a little bit of black eating color, but that's great. I don't mind that at all. I think it gives it another whole look. I do have a tile out here now that I will take that little bit that's left in the cup and I will make a tile with it. Let me give you a close-up of this one first before I move it. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to see it when it's dry. Got some beautiful skins under there too. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up some of this black that's here and put it on a tile. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to pour paint on it. I did do quite a few sets of tiles with the flash. That came out pretty cool. Alright, so it's all covered. I have just that little bit in there that will ring pour it. Okay. And I'll leave that little bit of black there. I have some really neat ring pour tiles that I'm going to be resining this week. So that was my little bit of leftover. It'll dry really pretty when those colors darken up a little bit. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on that bell to be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook, the Parage Posse. It's a new group that we have. We have some great artists in there as well. You can learn some great things and be inspired. I get inspired by them every day to try new things. And I also help them when they want to learn how to do something. And my Christina Welch Art page is also on Facebook. You can join that as well, like that page. You will get all the notifications of things we have going on with the channel. Sorry, I have a cold. And also, our fan mail box address is below. The Etsy shop link is there if you want to check out our paintings. And Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have all your tools on Amazon. Click that link, it'll take you into my shop. Everything that we use on our channel is there with the lowest price that we can find on Amazon for you. So we do make a couple of pennies on your purchases. You can order other things as well while you're there. It helps our channel so that we can buy supplies. The PayPal link is below for donations as well. We do a quarterly giveaway for our sponsors. We take very good care of our sponsors, by the way. Great prizes. We do it on, the next one will be the 1st of July. And also join us every Monday night. We're live at 9 p.m. right here on this channel. And that's Eastern Time, USA. You get to ask questions and participate picking colors, trying new techniques. It's just a fun time. And we do monthly auctions as well. So check out everything below and have yourselves a great day. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.